Hey everyone! Welcome back to Health Insights, the place where we dive deep into the world of natural health and wellness. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our weekly content. Today, we're talking about a super herb that's been gaining a lot of buzz for its incredible health benefits, ashwagandha. This ancient herb has been used for over 3,000 years in Ayurvedic medicine, and for good reasons. So, let's jump into the top 10 amazing benefits of ashwagandha you absolutely need to know. 1. Reduces stress and anxiety. Starting off at number 1, ashwagandha is widely known for its stress-reducing properties. It's classified as an adaptogen, meaning it can help your body manage stress more effectively. Studies have shown that it can lower cortisol levels, which is often referred to as the stress hormone. So, if you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious, ashwagandha might just be the natural solution you're looking for. 2. Boosts brain function. Moving on to benefit number 2, boosting brain function. Ashwagandha supports memory, cognitive function, and brain health. It's been shown to promote antioxidant activity that protects nerve cells from harmful free radicals. Whether you're studying for exams or looking to stay sharp in your daily life, ashwagandha could be your brain's best friend. 3. Increases strength and muscle mass. Number 3 is for the fitness enthusiasts out there. Ashwagandha has been linked to increased strength, improved muscle mass, and a reduction in body fat percentage. It enhances your body's resilience to physical stressors, making it a popular choice among athletes and gym-goers. 4. Reduces inflammation and pain. At number 4, we have the reduction of inflammation and pain. Ashwagandha is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can be especially beneficial for those suffering from conditions like arthritis. It also acts as a pain reliever, easing discomfort without the side effects commonly associated with pharmaceutical painkillers. 5. Improves heart health. Halfway through our list at number 5, ashwagandha's benefits for heart health. It can help with lowering high blood pressure, reducing cholesterol levels, and improving heart health overall. If you're looking to give your heart some natural support, ashwagandha might be worth considering. 6. Enhances sexual function and fertility. Benefit number 6 is enhancing sexual function and fertility. Ashwagandha supports a healthy sexual function by increasing libido in both men and women and improving sperm quality in men, potentially aiding in fertility. 7. Supports immune system. Next up, at number 7, is immune system support. This powerful herb can enhance your body's defense against illness by improving your immune response. Especially in times when staying healthy is more important than ever, incorporating ashwagandha into your routine could be a game-changer. 8. Regulates blood sugar levels. Number 8 is all about regulating blood sugar levels. Ashwagandha has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels in both healthy individuals and those with diabetes. It's a natural way to help manage your blood sugar and keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. 9. Improves sleep quality. Coming in at number 9, improving sleep quality. If you struggle with insomnia or just can't seem to get a good night's sleep, ashwagandha might help. It's known for its sleep-inducing properties, helping you relax and enjoy a more restful sleep. 10. Reduces symptoms of depression. And last but certainly not least, at number 10, ashwagandha can also reduce symptoms of depression. While it's not a substitute for professional medical advice, adding ashwagandha to your routine could help improve your mood and overall sense of well-being. And there you have it, folks, 10 amazing benefits of ashwagandha that you need to know. It's truly a versatile herb with a wide range of health benefits. If you're considering adding ashwagandha to your wellness routine, remember to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or on any medications. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Have you tried ashwagandha before? Let us know in the comments below how it's worked for you. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.